Hello students, welcome to today's English class. In the last class, we have discussed the poem When I Grow Up. Now let's recite the poem again. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too, or become a keeper at Nandan Kanan Zoo. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. I would like to own a trumpet. I would like to own a trumpet and play a musical tune. Or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. I would like to be the driver. Of an express diesel train. Or be a lighthouse keeper. Where I want and when I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. For the more one lives, the more one learns. I think I'll be all these things. And go on taking turns. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. Now let's do some post reading activities. First one is vocabulary. Stated below are some jobs or professions. Describe each of the jobs as shown in an example with the tips provided. This is one example. Look at the picture. What the man is doing? Yes, he is stitching. So, tailor, we can see the man is a tailor. Tailor means one who stitches clothes. Okay. Now do similar activities. First picture. The word is written here, driver, and see the picture of a driver. So what we'll write here? One who drives a bus. Yes, a car. Okay. One who drives a bus or a car is called a driver. One who drives a bus or a car is called a driver. Next, football player. Look at the picture here. The man is playing football. So we can write here one who plays football. is called a football player. Okay. Then next word is a cricketer. Acha, tell me, who is he? All of you know him? Yes. Who is he? Virat. Yes. So, one who plays cricket is called a cricketer. We can write here. One who plays cricket is called a cricketer. The next word is a teacher. Look at this picture. Who we see? And what she is doing? She is teaching. Where? In the class. So, to whom? These are some students sitting in a class. So, we can say here, a teacher, one who teaches students in a class, is called a teacher. One who teaches students in a class is called a teacher. Okay. So, the next word is a doctor. See the picture of a doctor. If you fall ill, you have a cold or a fever, where do you go? To the hospital? Yes. Who treats you? A doctor. So, we can say one who treats patients is a doctor. One who treats patients is called a doctor. Okay. Next word is, what are you looking here? A lady is giving some food to an animal. Who is it? Yes, giraffe. So, one who takes care of animals in a zoo is called a zookeeper. One who takes care of animals in a zoo is called a zookeeper. Next word is a sailor. Sailor means who sails ship in the sea. Here is the picture of a sailor and the background is here a sea. So, one who sails ship in a sea is called a sailor. Okay. Then next picture. All of you know who is he? Who grows food for you? Yes, he is called a farmer. So we can write here one who cultivates in a farm is called a farmer. Okay. Next word is a tennis player. Actually, look at the picture and say, who is she? Do you know her? Yes. Very good. She is Sania Mirza. So, we can say here one who plays tennis is called a tennis player. One who plays tennis is called a tennis player. Okay. Next word is pilot. Look at the picture here. They are pilots. Pilot means who drives an aeroplane in the sky. One who drives or flies an aeroplane in the sky is called a pilot. Okay. Now let's do another exercise. Look at the sentence here. The more one lives, the more one learns. This is a sentence. You see here, two words are here. One is live, another one is learn. This phrase is common. You have to use this phrase in later sentences and the verbs will be changed. Now, look at the sentence and answer me. What will be the next sentence by using these two words? New words. One word is read, another word is learn. Okay. See the picture? The child is reading a book. And next picture, they are learning. So who can say the sentence? What I will write here? Yes, the same thing. The more one, what will write here instead of leaves? Yes, the more one reads, comma, the more one learns. Okay, clear? Very good. Similarly, you see the picture here and also two verbs. One verb is save, another one is become rich. Here is the picture of savings. That means one who saves money, he or she become rich. So how can we write that in sentence? Same pattern. Try to say. Yes. The more one saves money, the more one becomes rich. Okay, next, do exercise, become healthy. All of you are doing exercises? Yes or no? Yes. In Saturday, you are doing what? Yoga, drill classes. For what? To become healthy. Okay. So, here we can say one who does exercises, he or she becomes healthy. Okay. The same pattern we will write here. The more one does exercises, the more one does exercises, the more one becomes healthy. Okay. Another question. It is a verb get, another one is want. That means, look at the picture. One who get more money, he or she wants more. If your father or mother gives you 5 rupees, you demand again, please give me another 5 rupees or 10 rupees to buy some chips or any food. Like this way, one who gets more money, he wants more and more. So we can write here, the more one gets, the more one wants. Okay. Now let's do some comprehension activities. Number 1. What does the child or poet want to become in the third stanza? Look, 3 stanzas I have written here. This is stanza number 3. I would like to own a trumpet and play a musical tune. Here the poet says he wants to play a musical tune. So he wants to become a musician. Yes. And next line, or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. Here the poet choose another job or another profession. What is that? To buy a private spaceship and fly to the moon. That means he wants to become an astronaut. So, if we will write here, the child or poet wants to become a musician or an astronaut in the third stanza. Okay, next question. Where does he want to be a keeper? In which stanza? It is written stanza 1, 2 or 3? Yes, stanza 2. Here the word is written keeper. Acha, question is, where does he want to become a keeper? Where is the place? Yes, at Nandankanan Zoo. At Nandankanan Zoo. So the answer is, he wants to be a keeper at Nandankanan Zoo. Nandankanan Zoo. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Where does he want to fly with the spaceship? See in stanza 3, the answer is written. Where does the poet want to go? By the spaceship? Yes, to the moon. This is your answer. He wants to fly to the moon with the spaceship. With the spaceship. With the spaceship. Next question, question number 4. Why does he want to take up many jobs? As we have studied, the poet wants to take up many jobs one after another. That means he wants to become a sailor, a driver, zookeeper, an astronaut, etc. So why He wants to take up different jobs to fulfill his multi-interest. Okay. So we can write here, he wants to take up many jobs to fulfill his multi-interests. Okay. So now you have to do an interview and write a brief report. What is written here? You have to interview with your classmates. Like, if you meet someone, what you will say him or her? Good morning. We, sir. Yes. Good morning. And next, what you will ask? How are you? The next student, he or she will say, I am fine. Thank you. Like this way, your interview, your talk will go on. Next, you ask him or her, what do you want to become in future? A doctor or a teacher or anything else. Whatever he or she will answer, you have to note down here. And last, you say thanks and bye. This is the style of interview. And whatever interview you will take, you have to write it in a report. The responses of the person interviewed and write the report using the format given below. Here is the format, you have to fulfill the format. Like, dash 5 persons. Suppose you have to take an interview with 5 persons like Mukesh, Ritika, Shyam, Pappu, Ravindra, etc. So, here you write, I have interviewed 5 persons. One of them wants to become a doctor. 2 of them wants to become engineers or teachers, anything else. And here the names of persons interviewed are, you have to write the person's name. Like your friend's name, 5 friends name you have to write down here. Understood? Okay. This is the last activity of the poem. You have to write another poem of your own, changing some words. The words are already written in the bracket. See, the rhyming words are sailor, tailor, sweeper, keeper. Example is given here. You have to fill up the format. That means I want to become a sailor or become a tailor to make dresses. I want to become a sweeper or become a keeper. Like this way, you have to write a poem of your own. Understood? Okay. So, what we learned today? We learned some vocabulary, uses and comprehension exercises. So this much is for today. Thank you. Bye bye.